Welcome to Lowe's. You've chosen a great time to join our company. Technology is changing the way we live, the way we work, and the way we shop. And home improvement sits right in the intersection of all that change. To adapt to a world that is constantly evolving, Lowe's has to evolve as well. And we're in the midst of a journey to transform ourselves from a single-channel retailer into an omni-channel home improvement company. But more importantly, our journey also involves transforming ourselves from a company with a purpose to a company driven by purpose. A purpose that's authentic to who we are and what we do. A purpose that's relevant to customers and what they want from us. A purpose that differentiates us from the competition and makes us unique in our industry. Our purpose inspires us, drives our decision making, and ensures we're on the right path today, tomorrow, and for years to come. And our purpose is to help people love where they live. And that's what we're asking you to help us do. Whether you're serving customers directly or serving those who do serve customers, every employee at Lowe's is here for the same reason, to help people love where they live. We do this by building a culture that is purpose-driven, customer-centric, service-minded, and principles-based. We do this by recognizing that what's important to us are people like you, people who want to be part of something bigger and make a difference in somebody's day every day. People who listen intently, sense and respond, and give their best always. People who want to help us be who we say we are, an omni-channel home improvement company focused squarely on helping people love where they live. Home plays such an emotional role in our lives. It's a refuge, a place where we go to recharge, refresh, rejuvenate. It's a haven, a place where we get to express ourselves and the things that are important to us. It's a community, a place where we come together to share experiences that shape who we are, and helping people build their homes, improve their homes, make their homes everything they want it to be is the work we get to do every single day. And that matters. It matters to customers. It matters to communities. It matters to us. And by choosing to work for Lowe's, I know it matters to you as well. I'm glad you made the decision to join us on our journey. You're the kind of person that can help us complete it, that can help us build the culture we all want, and can ultimately help us fulfill our purpose. It's time to get to work.